So welcome back, guys. So in this video, we'll be discussing about uh, the trade setup that I haven't took in Euro, okay, on New York section, okay, not in London, New York section, okay. So what you're saying here is a 4-hour chart of Euro versus US dollar, okay. So before going to the New York section, I just want you to uh, focus on the left side of what I have shown, okay. So I can't use replay. I can't, sorry. So I just want you to look to left side of this uh, 9 p.m. yesterday, okay? Sorry, Friday, 21 March 2025, okay? So I just want you to look to left side of this chart. We have this 4-hour low here, took out on London, sorry, extra day, sorry, 20th day, okay? And we have this major, or I could say it's a good major 4-hour low, okay? So extra day for New York section, my target, your target should be here, okay? Oh, now let's go to the trade, okay? So I'm going to 1-hour chart. This is your London, okay? This is your London section. Sorry. This is your Asian section. This green is your London section, and this brown is London and New York open, and this is pink is completely New York, okay? So let's. This is our extra days high. Sorry, Asian high. Took out Asian high, okay. And we have that 4-hour low right here, okay. And this extra day lower 20th March 2025 low here. So what we have is two liquidities resting under or two liquidities resting before, sorry, after 8:30 open, okay. So before going to that, let's mark out. Okay. Before going to that, I want you to focus upon here, okay. So this was that what Asian high of extra day, that is Friday's Asian high. So that day is itself Asian high. If you see closely, I'm just removing the chart, remove the indicator. Okay. So if you just check closely, you will see that this high was taken on your section. Okay, on your section, this high was taken out. Okay, this was a London high. This was Asian high. London, Asian. Both highs were taken out. So when these highs were taken out, what are we resting? This London low, extra days low, and this 4-hour low. Okay. So and if you just look out dollar index chart, okay. It also took out that Asian low, okay. Asian low is here. This is 20th March 2025. Dash low, okay. Wait, I will just open another chart on TradingView, okay. So that could be easily for us to identify. Okay. Now in this chart, I am gonna put euro, and in this chart, I am gonna put dollar index chart, okay, and 1-hour chart. Okay. Sorry, I can't use this thing because it is. I need to buy premium of this. Okay, we will buy one day. will buy. So this is wastage over this Asian high was taken out here. Okay, that is 8 p.m. Okay, oh, that's extra day high. I will show you. Next what that I'm saying with respect to New York local time. Okay, so sorry for uh, some what do I misspellings. Okay, so here is that high, that is Asian high. Here is that Asian low. Okay. Since last video I have told you euro and dollar are like is inversely proportional. Okay, if euro goes higher, the XY or dollar index goes lower. Euro went higher. Just want you to look at this time of the day. Okay, 8 o'clock a.m. 8 o'clock a.m. 8 o'clock a.m. Dollar index was able to take out extra days low or that days itself low, Asian low. Okay, and euro was able to take out that high. What this means is this is perfectly fine. Okay, but the problem comes when I go to GBP USD. Okay, this is 8 p.m. That is Asian high. 8 a.m. That is New York open. Okay, in euro, euro were able to take out this high. Okay, let's say this high was able to take out on euro at 8 a.m. Okay, on New York local time. But unfortunately, GU was not able to take out this high. There is something called SMT. Okay, SMT means not money divergence. Okay, uh, what does it means is euro and GBP are both correlated pairs. Okay, if and GBP was a like stronger currency than euro, right? If a weaker currency was able to take out a, a stronger currency's high, but the stronger currency was not able to take out this high, which indicates a weakness in GU, okay, or GBP USD, fine, and which is a reversal, what a price reversal indication, okay, not indicator, price indication, reversal indication, okay. So I think you understand what I have told till now, okay. We created an SMT with this high to this high, okay, that is New York high, but in JBP we were not able to, or the market was not able to go up high here, okay, which shows an what eh, weakness in this market, okay. It is likely to go down, but since I only trade euro, I was opting for a trade up here, okay. So we'll be going to a 15-minute chart, okay, for the better analysis, okay. So what are you saying here? We have that high taken out. Let's go to 15. We have that high not taken out here, but USD was able to take out this high here. Okay. And what else you are saying? We have that high taken out. I'm not marking again. Okay. We have a structure shift. Basically, here I have not taken a trade when this, or it's actually I haven't taken a trade. Okay. But what do you think? The point of me to do this video is a review of 21 March 2025. Okay. So basically, what I want you to tell here is before when it created a shift above this short time high, it created this 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. I just want you to focus up here. Okay. Say what 15-minute fair value gap. Just extend it. Okay. This is 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. So let's go to that 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. So basically, I just want you to look on this section. Okay. We took out that high, created an SMT here, and just started to going down without respecting this fair value gap. It just closed below this fair value gap. Okay. I mean, this fair value gap, it doesn't even respect this. This price run doesn't even respect it, this fair value gap. Okay. So what I want you to look at here is, and it created nothing. It is a like an aggressive entry. Okay, I just want to mention it. An aggressive entry. Okay, sorry for the spelling. I don't want to correct it. Okay, it is an aggressive entry here. Okay, so if there forms an SMT with respect to GBP and US dollar index was able to take out that high, it's a high probable that should go to that this low or where at least this low, that is extra days low. So basically what we are going to do is we're going to research on this part. Okay, you see this candle was able to take out this entire fair value up without respecting it. You see this candle's body and open close, it was a like opened here, just gone a like to a one pip. No, I don't think it go one pip. Okay, then downward candle without respecting the fair value gap. This is a 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, you should have respected that. Okay, now I want you to focus on this area. Okay, what we are gonna do in this 15-minute IFH. Okay, when this fair value gap was not respected, it becomes an IFH. Okay, or inverse FH. This is another entry model that like I learned in order to trade. Okay, so basically we have this low here, we have this low here. You should either target this low or this low. Okay, for the sake of good risk RR, we let's say we are focusing on this low. Okay. So if there is a 15-minute fair value gap go like invest, I won't go to like 5 or 3 or 2, and 2 is not available. Directly going to 1 minute. Okay. So here comes the part. Okay. At 8:30, this is our what? This is where, sorry, this is where 8:30. That's our 8:30. And I know if you have seen my videos, previous videos, you know what's the importance of 8:30. Okay. Market went up, created an SMT with respect to GBP. Coming down, that's in 1 minute. You can see this is a market structure shift, and it doesn't even respected this fair value gap which is formed here. Okay, now we are gonna explore how can we trade on this day. Okay, it is an aggressive entry. Okay, as I told, it's an aggressive entry. So you could risk, you don't need to risk 1%, you can either risk 0.5%. Okay, here since it is an aggressive entry, if you're aggressive trader, risk what you like, I don't care. And okay, let's go to that. When 8:30 closes here, on 8:31 the next 15-minute candle opens. Okay, that's the shit. Okay, So on the next 15-minute chart, 15-minute candle, we just trail it up again to that IFEG. It was with this fair value gap, got IFEG because of this price run. Okay. So when it again went to this IFEG, you see it respected the midpoint. Nobody closed above the midpoint of that IFEG 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute IFEG. It went to the 15-minute midpoint. Then you see this down close candles. It was an aggressive down close candles. Okay, the price doesn't even want to just go a bit upper than this, and it was what displacing down, creating this short time low takeout. Okay, okay. Now what do we have in this displacement from here to here? Okay, and today's video. Okay, nothing. Just don't care. Okay, from this high to this low displacement, this high to this low. There's a this displacement measuring this displacement. Okay, so above is the equilibrium point. Okay, this is the equilibrium point. Okay, fine. You can see this is 0.5. Okay, at equilibrium point we have a 1 minute fair value gap. Okay. 1 minute fair value gap. Fine. I'm just removing this what Fibonacci displacement measuring. Just removing. Okay. Now it's gonna be our entry. Okay. The price went up. What do we do? Do we directly take an entry here? No. I usually don't take an entry directly when it reaches to this fair value gap. Okay. I just wait. Price went above this fair value gap, but doesn't was able to take out this this pullback. This you see this 1 minute candle. It was a good rejection from this 15-minute fair value gap again when it tapped with it. Okay, rejected. It's a strong rejection. Okay, you can see the uh, how the candle is reacting. Okay, and next on the next candle itself, you could enter. Okay, you could enter here, making stop where this candle's high. That's gonna be our short time high. You are gonna stop loss, making sure stop loss here. Okay, and you are targeting what? You are targeting. Let me mark this loss. Okay, this is our gonna be our first uh, what? That's gonna be our first target. So we are here. Okay, we took an entry from here. Okay, and what are we expecting to do? Plastic or no? This is gonna be your first target. Just that's gonna be your first target, and this is gonna be your final target. Okay, that's for our low. If I could have traded this day, I could trade like this. That's the what short term explanation or review on Euro USD. Okay. So next, I would also like to look onto the GBP USD chart. Okay, fine. So I stopped trading GBP USD. Okay, it's fucking bad for me. It's like bad fucking luck for me. It's always gives me a bad luck. Everything is bad. Okay. So in the 15-minute, what are you seeing? You have SMT with respect to euro. There is your short time low. Where is your 830? This is gonna be your 830. Okay. Hmm. Okay. This is what I said. Okay. In GBP USD, never get a perfection. Okay. But if you just took out the displacement from here to this low, okay, we went to this equilibrium. Okay, fine. At this equilibrium, what do we have? Can I consider that more fair value gap? Okay, that's a 15-minute fair value gap at what? The point of this displacement from here to here. The point is somewhere here. At that particular position, we have that 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, so price tapped into it. Directly going to 1 minute. Directly going to 1 minute. Okay. So if you see here, okay, this is what I don't like GU. Okay. If it has to break a structure, I could possibly say this has to take out. But to say this down course candle, this indicates a minor short term what structure shift. Okay, and the price movement of the price was also fine. Created this 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, this is what I don't like on GU. Okay, so possibly if you are a trader, you could, as I said in the Euro USD, you should wait how the price is reaction to it. It went up. You see this particular candle. Price went up, shown a good rejection. So on this, you could either enter on this candle, making stop loss where? Stop loss here. That's your short time high. Okay. Target. What's gonna be a target? So this relative equal highs. Sorry, relative equal loss. Yeah, this shit right here. This could be your target. Okay. This is gonna be a like, major sell say or major low. Okay, and you have this order block here. I'm not going to into that. Okay, so you could enter there. You could possibly put your stop loss there, entry there, stop loss, this swing high, short time high, targeting this low. This is something that I don't like in Geo. Okay, Geo always do some kind of shift. Shift, bro. I don't want to explain that sort of shit. Okay, and something that I don't like in Geo nowadays. So I just wanted to understand. Okay, it's better to trade Euro than GU. That's the shit. Okay. Okay, I think you understand the trade. Here, here an aggressive entry model. Okay, everything is perfect. Trade above like 830. Everything was perfect. We have the SMT down up here. Perfect thing. Okay, so I think one more video will be there on Mass 100. Okay, I think in hashtag I have made a video on London section, how London section worked on extra day. Okay, that is 21 March 2025. Fine. Okay, in the next video I will be doing New York section on US 100, uh, the trade explanation. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Okay, I will be uploading on tomorrow. And basically, if you're seeing this, what these videos are in future, please understand that I have not posted any of the video to publicly until the till today. Okay, I don't know when I'm gonna post it, but one day we'll post it. Okay, don't worry. At that time, you can all see the struggle, how it maybe one day, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, like the great says, one day. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.